Good morning, guys.
We are Silke and Kieran and we are on our 10-year honeymoon trip around the world.
Yep, and today we're about to start the most epic road trip around Laos.
Yes, on this amazing bike.
Yeah. We plan to see some of the most untouched and incredibly beautiful places across this stunning, stunning country.
And we'll take you along with us.
Yep.
Let's go.
What's up? Good? But first, we have a really special friend to see.
Yes.
Hey baby, oh you, hey you,
Hey girl.
hey you,
How are you?
how are you little boy?
It's hard because we've spent months really getting to know her.
Every day 2 hours with her, and now we're leaving. The hard thing is she doesn't know that we're not coming back. She might just miss us. And
But we hope that soon she'll be back in the wild.
baby girl, hey baby girl.
It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. It's hard. It's really good. It's hard. Taking me back in the jungle soon, yeah? Oh, guys, this is so hard.
I feel like she knows. Usually she's fine, she cries for a bit. But now she just keeps going. I really hope she can be released into nature with some other monkeys. She shouldn't be in a temple. But all we could do is give her some love, water and fruit. I think we should get her.
And we are on our way.
Woo! Hardest start to a journey we could have ever imagined, but we're on the road now and yeah, it feels good to be moving. It's upside down, so it's actually the one to the left because it's upside down. Yeah, that's the right one. So I'm not sure how good the audio is going to be right now, but we are heading in the direction of Vang Vieng. Don't know if we'll make it there today. We don't really know what the aim is on this road trip. We just want to go and yeah, get lost. So heading in that direction. The roads right now have been pretty good actually, pretty dusty, but yeah, decent, not
Yes,
bad.
we have 5 hours to go, so
It says 4 hours on the map, but everyone says don't take that, 5 at least, yeah.
Lao roads. Just before we left, we fueled up, which was full tank for 150,000 kip, which is around 7 pounds. And then what else did we do? We got a SIM card, which was 150,000 as well, 7 pounds for 150 gigabyte for a whole month, which is amazing. And then these helmets we bought yesterday, which were 12 pounds per helmet.
Yeah,
so,
500,000. And we had the choice to get the cheaper ones, but we wanted to make sure we're protected, and also these ones look pretty cool.
We like them, what do you think?
My mum said that we look like M&Ms.
These roads are crazy. They're everywhere. This is Laos. Bye bye.
not the best bike, but it's part of the challenge. We love this kind of stuff.
Oh my god.
This hill proved too much.
We were going like, I could just walk next to Kieran and we would go the same speed up the hill. Guys, what do you think? How many times are we going to break down on this this road trip? We think a lot. Oh, is there something wrong?
I don't know if it's catching properly. Let's see.
This is not good.
Right,
Well,
the uplift.
yeah. Day 1 and we already have a breakdown. Cannot believe this. We've been using the bike for a month to go to Luang Prabang and back. It needed a fix in the beginning, but then after was fine. And I just cannot believe it is our first day of our epic road trip. And yeah, the bike is just not working.
And this is it, all the way to Bang Viet. Still literally could walk faster than us right now. Day 1 disaster.
Jeez, we're not going to get anywhere.
So we're going back down to the next village, or the last village. Something wrong with the spark plug, I think. So let's see. Freewheeling back.
We're so lucky it's downhill though to the next village and not uphill.
Doing the bike. So I was doing some stories and I thought I'm gonna have a look around because some of it, like the foot pedals, didn't feel so secure. And turns out we have 3 bolts out of 4 and all 3 were super loose, so almost dropped the bottom off the bike. But yeah, we're getting there. I'm sure we'll get to Vang Viet today. I guess that we'll get where we're going, which is whatever. Yeah.
They have just spent, I think, an hour working on the bike,
Yep.
and the cost was 30,000 kip, which is $2.
You're good at that. I'm not good at that.
Yeah, it's super freaking cheap.
So, but I think we're good, and I think we can get back on the road. Hit back on the road.
Let's
not
see
hit
if
the
we
road.
get somewhere. This time, fingers crossed.
Is it small? I don't know what the guy done, but whatever he did at the end helped us, but also made things a whole lot harder.
Oh yeah?
Like the bike's pretty much revving by itself. I don't know why it's what it's doing. This foot pedal thing is falling off again. We need to get to a mechanic. The whole thing held on by 2 screws. Can that be getting in the way of this? Nah, I don't know. There's something wrong with the gear changing, but I'm 2 bolts left. And I don't know what to do, because if we drive any further that could fall off.
Kieran did it! Woo!
That's how you learn mechanics, on the road, little by little. Got cold quickly.
We're on top of the mountain and we're like in the clouds, and yeah, the temperature difference is insane.
It has dropped a lot. It feels like Scotland. Look at us, we're in the clouds. Lady.
Wow, this must be extra big with us.
Wow. This looks incredible. Oh, this where we stop for a pee break. You filming?
Oh my god, it is!
Here.
So, 3 years ago, we hitchhiked this way and we got on a truck with a Chinese guy, and this is like where we had a pee break. We were like just relaxing in some tires, but that was a whole different story than now.
Yeah.
Now 3 years later, we're doing an epic road trip with an awful shitty bike.
I'm learning things about the bike every moment though. This is great fun. The hold up.
Trick.
Oh no.
Disaster.
Jesus. Oh, I won't get round, but get through that one. Jai.
Hello.
Sawadee. We thought we wanted to take a break just for our butts, our ears,
Oh, painful.
and also to fly the drone because we think we're in a beautiful part of Laos.
Excuse me, you know guest house for sleeping? There? We found a guest house. It's... Oh. Yeah, you sure? Okay. We found a guest house and it's 80,000 kip a night, which is $5, which is a good price. It's clean rooms, big clean room and a shower, so that's all we need for tonight. And yeah, we didn't make it to Vang Vieng. But yeah, we're here in Kasi, and I think tomorrow we'll make our way to Vang Vieng.
That's good.
Yeah. Okay, I'll show you where to park.
Let's do it.
Yeah, you can park in the back. Thank you, Cup Chai.
Cup chai, thanks.
We pay now. Okay.
We have found a little guest house in Kasi. It's 80,000 a night. So what's that in dollars? I'll give it
$5.
$5
The only thing
a
I'm
night.
seeing is this looks disgusting.
Yeah. Budget travel life. But they said there is a warm shower, which we have not had
In 1 month.
Over a month. Yeah.
Over a month.
So it'll be nice to shower. We're gonna shower and then go and get some food.
And I think tomorrow we'll continue our journey to Vang Vieng. So if you liked this video, please like, subscribe.
All that good stuff. Ding down that notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.